It's May the 31st, 2025, and we're going to harvest some sweet corn today. Our corn's been growing for about 74 days. It's most of it's ready to harvest, some of it is not. And last year, our corn was decimated by squirrels. So to take countermeasures this year, we purchased this electric poultry net. I believe it's a Starkline 400 was the model. Purchased at Amazon, and you can see the charger here. It's a solar charger, and to combat the squirrels, it's been 100% effective. Fairly new to growing sweet corn, and one thing I did not know is that once your corn is ready to harvest, birds will start attacking it. So I've noticed that over the last few days, and I come out here and I've had several ears that are just been attacked, like right in the middle. Just ruins the whole ear. So we're going to go ahead and harvest today. This is a super sweet. It's superb, super sweet variety. And we'll see what we get. Stay tuned. Come over here and you can see the silks. See, these are still a little bit green. They're pretty brown. Feels like a good ear. Anyway, this one's a little bit early, but with what I talked about earlier, the birds attacking, feels like it's pretty mature. So we're going to go ahead and harvest it. It's still going to eat good. All right. Same with this one. You can kind of see the green right here, but it's dried back pretty good. Here's one with the bird damage. You can see birds are just attacking it there.
Okay. Don't throw those over the fence. Let me feed them to the squirrels.
Now the tip's not quite formed. This one wasn't quite ready. But no worm damage on this one. It's actually a pretty good ear. It's not quite ready, but I mean, it's ruined though now because of the birds. So we'll get that to the squirrels. I'm gonna leave a few of these that aren't quite ready, and we'll just hope for the best. Like this one looks pretty good here. Another one. Bird damage again. See if there's any worms in this one. Yeah, no worm damage. Just bird damage. Nope, the birds got to the top of it. Actually, I probably could have salvaged that one, so we'll feed it to the.
Just put it in there, and you can cut the top off.
Yeah.
Don't throw it away.
And we planted this is about a 25-foot row, and we've got, without counting how many seeds I dropped, because I really don't know, roughly about 50 plants per double row. We got 4 double rows, so you do the math, we got roughly 200 ears of corn. Yeah, some of these will feel pretty good. So hopefully, that one's really, you can see that one, the birds really got that one. So, that one's totally ruined. So, squirrels get a treat. I'm going to see if I can open a few of these, see if there's any worm damage. Yep, there it is on that one.
You want to show them?
Not on this one. Hold on, I'll do another one. So,
they're awfully small.
Well, that one was a small cob there. But you can see the worm damage. See, this one's good. It's filled out good, no worm damage. It wasn't quite ready, but it's still pretty plump kernels. I'm just going to cut the tip off.